Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So Reels are all about short, engaging and visually dynamic content. OpenArt helps you create eye-catching visuals, then you turn them into a reel with editing. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to make a reel using OpenArt in 2026. So first thing, choose a reel idea, like start with a strong concept, popular formats like transformation, before, after, storytelling, aesthetic visuals, quick tips. Okay, so for example, AI transforms a simple room into a luxury space. Okay, so write a hook like first 2 to 3 seconds, wait for the transformation. This is insane, okay, because hook equals attention. Okay, so you have to grab or take the attention from the the first 3 seconds. So plan short scenes like from a hook, build up, payoff. So total length should be from 10 to 30 seconds. So keep it simple. Generate clips in OpenArt. So open OpenArt like video generator. Okay, create clips from 2 to 4 sec each. For example, like this, you can use this prompt. Okay, this one, cinematic transformation, dramatic lighting, smooth motion. So short clips will get better pacing. Okay, so maintain style consistency, like keep same colors, lighting, style, look, it looks professional. So add music, use trending audio, like sync clips with beats, because music boosts reach. Okay, so edit for engagements, like use CapCut, Premiere Pro. Okay, add fast cuts, zoom effects, transitions. Okay, remove boring parts, and that's it guys. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.